How to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can remove multiple accounts on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to remove multiple accounts, the issue here is quite simple. Even if you log out of your account, what happens is that Facebook might have actually saved your information and there could have been many accounts on this list. So in my case it is just one, but you might have 2, 3, 4 or many more accounts like that. Now when you're on this login page to log in between multiple accounts here, instead of choosing an account, if you look at the top right, you'll find a little 3 dots option. Now you can also find like a settings icon if you haven't updated, or you'll find the 3 dots option where you'll see a list of profiles again, and from there again just select the profile that you want to remove, then tap on remove profile, and then you'll be able to remove those accounts. So remember, before logging in, tap on the 3 dots or the gear icon and just select the option to remove the profile. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.